Okay, so today Brendan brought in a new friend, didn't you, Brendan?
Yeah.
And what's his name?
Fluffy! Wait, did he give you one?
No, he did not give me one.
Who'd you give one? Lauren?
So what does Fluffy do?
Eat, sleep, and poop.
Pretty much?
And plays. No, he doesn't. He just walks around on sticks trying to find food. Oh, now you want to eat you?
So what has Fluffy done today that has been productive?
Nothing. Poop.
How big was it?
That big.
And what did you call it earlier?
I called it.
Yeah. Is this one of his tricks?
The little guy.
We have to move because the
Now we're
kindergartners
gonna go put him on a tree stump.
It's the other caterpillar. It's the caterpillar's sister or brother. Yeah, where did I find all these?
Wait, how many? How many?
At your house or here?
Yesterday. Dude, just don't touch it. It's gonna sting me. Yeah, that's what he will do.
Oh my gosh.
It's mine.
What is it?
And what did you name him, Brendan?
Fluffy. Fluffy.
It's not fleshy.
Yeah, it is. It's flushy. You flush
Fluffy.
your Forky. You flush.
Very nice to meet you, Fluffy.
Down the toilet.